Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing this. I got this from Japan. Yeah, very far. Don't mind my sister, Adeku had it. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this and see what it has. Adeku, what? And I don't understand Japanese, so yeah, it's gonna be a problem. How do I open it? Enggak deh, kakak aja. Bro, what? Oh, here it is. So, we got the big card, we got sleeves, we got these things. So, but our main interest is here and here. I have never opened this one before, so I can't wait. I think the thingy got out of it. Oh wait, no, this thingy got went out. Oh, bro, bro. This thingy went out of this, I think. So let's get out. Let's unbox it. All right, this giant card here. Probably could sell it for a fortune. And these packs. Oh God, no. I did. Please, I did. So we're gonna put everything that we want here. We're gonna put the things that we want, bruh. So yeah. Huh? Yes, all right. So yeah. Oh yeah. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs. Adek boleh gak deh? Please adek. Okay. There's 8 packs. 8 packs. That's crazy. So this pack goes first. Adek, please lah adek. Ya, di tempat tidur. Okay. I opened that pack way. Okay, 3 cards. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. We got this thing. I don't know if it's good or not. This guy. This guy. This guy. And more trash. Second pack. Oh, this is hard to open. It is hard to open. While I'm opening this pack, let me tell you about the sponsor of this video. It's no one. Imagine sponsoring one of my videos, though. But I hope someone does. Okay. We got this guy, weird looking Magikarp, I don't know. Monkey. Titan the Sandman. Wait, what? I mean, this sand guy. Sorry, guys, I played too much TTT. Oh, so yes. So this is what Bemi was talking about, yeah. A sushi, a living sushi. Ade. A beetle. We got nothing so far. That's good. Third pack. 3 times the charm. Bro, why can't I? Okay. So this guy. This guy. This guy. This guy. And this guy. Nothing good so far. Let's hope we get something good. I don't know if it's even possible to get something good on this pack, but I don't care. As long as we get stuff. And I don't care about the bad stuff either. Adek, please lah, Dek. Please, Dek. Please, Dek, boleh gak, Dek? Ganggu-gangguin terus. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left, and we got nothing good. We got Wolf. We got this guy.
Apa itu?
We got this guy.
Apa?
We got this guy. Yep, this guy deserves to be put here, and this guy. Oh, that was crazy. We got the card that we wanted, bro. We got the card that we wanted. We got the card that we wanted. So let's hope we unbox another one of them. I don't think it's even possible. So Sand Castle, Duck, B from Walmart. This guy we already have. And I don't know if this guy's good or not, but he looks cool, so I'm gonna put him here. We got 3 more packs. 3 more packs, and we only got 2 stuff that one stuff that I think is good, and one stuff that I don't think is good. I don't think it's bad. So yeah, we're not in a good position right now. A weird looking guy. This guy. This guy. Ooh, is this guy good? Yeah, I'm gonna put him here. He looks promising, and we got apple candy, of course. Just making me hungry. Second last pack. Okay, let's hope we get something good here. After this is gonna be the last pack, so that's gonna be bad if we don't get anything good. Oh my god. Weird looking monkey and koala. Monkey. Robot. Net. And even more monkeys. Oh my god. That pack was the monkey pack. Oh my god, bro. I hope we get one last good one. This is the last one, bro. I didn't DM. I hope we get a good one. So starting off, we got an evolve from that one. Okay. I'm not even gonna look. Last card. Oh wait, it's already this. Oh my god, bro. We got nothing good. We got these guys. Are these guys good? I could sell them, I think. The best one is probably this guy. So yep, I'm gonna keep all of these. And also this giant card. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, we wasted a ton of money with that one. This is going to make my mom's bank account cry and also my face cry. So yeah, so maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make another like unboxing video, most likely unboxing my other packs I got from Japan. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So we only got 3 good cards, and all of this trash. Trash, guys, trash. Oh my god, bro. Let me just make them all like rectangle real quick, guys. So I'm probably gonna make a new channel like where I unbox stuff, and like this channel will be like a gaming channel or something. Yeah. We got nothing good. Oh my god. god, bro. I can't even put it in. Alright. We got all these trash and a few good stuff. Now, I'm gonna clean up this mess that I made. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when I upload I'm gonna start uploading the Minecraft content with my good friend. Yeah. Bye. So yeah. Oh yeah. If you're wondering, maybe tomorrow I'll start uploading Minecraft Bedrock edition. Yeah, Bedrock. I have Java, but my friend that I want to play with doesn't have. So yeah, and don't mind my sister. I'm gonna tell her to behave next video. So yeah, bye.